Andre,
Couldn't see.
I could ask you something about Box Cart Intercol.
You could ask me anything about Box Cart Intercol.
So here it is. What race day does it look like, right?
So race day is really about 2 days. The first day is test, tune, qualify. That day is the day before the actual race day. We come out on that day and the students, the racers, teams have the ability and the opportunity to go through scrutineering, make sure it's safe, because it has to pass scrutineering before you go on the ramp and the track. Once you pass that, you now have the opportunity to test and run and get data, whether be it alignment, tire pressure, different driver, who eat double C morning, who didn't eat double C morning. All that opportunity is given the day before for qualifying. On race day, you come out, you get your slight tuning built into the car, and same process, basic scrutineering, make sure you didn't change anything major, and then you go up on the ramp and you race. The ramp is designed to a certain specification. It's a specific height. There's a start gate that drops flat that allows both of them to leave at the exact same time. So nobody could jump the start. There's no false starts with this because they both have the same start time. An electronic timing system is used, which is basically the same system they use at drag racing and at motorsporting events, that registers when it leaves and when it crosses the finish. The person that crosses the finish first wins. It's as simple as that. It's a sprint to the finish line. The same computerized system puts the carts in different groups and classes, and it's selected randomly. So there's no human input with regard to the selection. Why? Because they can't come and say, well, boy, Quincy went to this school, so that's why he put them with this one, or Andre liked this one. It's all up to the computer. It's impartial and fair. Why we have to use this expensive, sophisticated timing system is that often at the finish, the racing is so tight that there's 200ths of a second, sometimes 2,000ths of a second separate winner and loser. The human eye cannot pick up that. We can't differentiate that because of different designs and stuff. So again, it eliminates human error in selecting a winner. There's going to be awards for first, second, and third fastest on the day. And then, of course, there's the overall. Now, the first, second, and third fastest on the day is resource dependent. If we get the sponsors and the support we're looking for, we'll be able to offer that. We've had in the past where sponsors came in just for that component. And then, of course, we have sponsors who came in for the overall event and the overall score. Those scores now are added to the scores of your portfolio. Post-event race day, coming out of the race day, you now have a week to add to your written portfolio your observations, what you experienced, what changes you made, and possibly what you would do differently. If you want, I think those are things that you would want to add in your portfolio because it will help us appreciate your thought process. And that is what the event and hopefully wrapping up of Box Cart Intercol will look like. Coming out of that, team with the overall highest score wins.
That's the overall highest score with both racing as well
both
as
race day points and the portfolio points.
Sounds like fun.
Always it's fun.
Right. Well, thanks.
No problem.